have some magic to do for me.
Yes, and it's real magic. Alright, now I want you to pick a card. This card is going to be the 9 of clubs. Good. Now I want you to pick another card, and this card is going to be the 8 of diamonds.
Right there.
Now I'm going to pick the 7 of diamonds.
Nope. Hi, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Ben.
And this is How to
Magic. Alright.
So Ben, how do you do that trick?
Well, you can do it in a couple of easy steps. The first step is to look at the top card of the deck. And in this particular example, the top card in the deck is a 2 of hearts.
Question, do you let the people know that you're going to see it or no?
No, you won't want to do that. You want to either look at it beforehand when there's no one else around, or if that's not possible, you want to go something like this. And just pay attention to what the top card is. Second step is to spread out all the cards across the table. And make sure you know exactly where the top card is. Right there. Then the next step is to ask them to pick up a card. And so the card that Aiden just picked up is a Queen of Clubs. Now you're going to ask them to pick up the Queen of Clubs.
I have a question. Would you ask me to pick up the 2 of hearts and then I would pick a card? And then you would ask me to pick the card I picked?
Yes.
Okay.
You would ask them to pick up the 2 of hearts
the
first.
Queen of hearts. Well, Queen of clubs.
Now they've picked up the 9 of hearts. Now you've already asked them to pick up the 2 of hearts and the Queen of clubs. And you do not have the 2 of hearts and you have the 9 of hearts. So you're going to say, I want to pick up the 9 of hearts now and pick up the 2 of hearts. That way you have all 3 cards that you just asked to pick up.
So, do you let them look at the cards they picked up? So, like, when they pick them up, oh. And then
No.
do
Do not ever let them look at the cards that they picked up.
Okay.
So, Evan, are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I said I'm hungry, not tissues. Still tissue.
So, you're allowed to eat that. Eat it. Open it up and eat it.
Can I have it?
I need the wrapper, Evan, for the trick. So, put your trash in this box. Put it in the box. The other part. Do you have any other trash on you?
You.
Okay, okay. So I'll close the box. Get in. And your trash disappeared.
My gosh, we should use this to clean.
So I did this trick by using a candy. It can be any type of candy. No restrictions, except if it's bigger than the tissue. So it has to fit in a tissue, because then you have to ball it up, right? And then, oh, that fell out. You gotta put it behind a tissue while the tissue's in a box like this. So your audience doesn't see it. And then, when doing the trick, you have to pull the bag with the tissue, and then you have to keep pulling tissues to like cover it up. And then you can either rip the tissue or just sort through it to get to the entrance to let it out if you wanted to save the tissues. And then the disappearing box. Or the appearing box. This is really just a magic contraption. I forgot how much it was, but there's like 2 spots. Cause see, and then I can make it appear. I'll put the other wrapper in. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And that's how to do that trick. Oh no, it's seriously just 2 compartments.